Okay, guys. So my name is Amit, and I'm your instructor for this complete Fortinet plus CCNP security as well as Palo Alto. And there are multiple other security courses that we are including in single bundle. Not only in bundle, even we can do the it separately as well. That's okay. But this training that you are right now is especially for two things. First one is Fortinet, second one is CCNP security. So once we talk about CCNP security, so we will be considering almost all the tracks that comes under CCNP security. Plus, second one, Fortinet, we will be covering all the aspects that is literally important and required for any security specialist if the security specialist is working inside the company on Fortinet firewall. Yes. So, okay. So guys, if they are not understanding in English, so I will try to speak in English, but very simple language. In the case if you are not understanding, please let me know. Sometimes I will also repeat in Hindi. Okay, Ansh, especially I am saying to you, since apart from you, no one has asked in Hindi. So if anyone here not getting me what I'm trying to say, you kindly raise your hand, then I can explain same thing in Hindi as well. Is it good, everyone? Okay. Done.
Sir, I have to start.
You're not audible clearly. Can you please come up again? No? Okay. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. Okay. So this is combo, especially I will say this is Network Security Pro combo, and the series name is Network Security Pro that I mentioned already, and this include Fortinet plus CCNP security. I will give you a top level overview what we are going to see. So we'll start first from Fortinet Firewall. Let me share my screen as well as my notepad. So I'll be writing here, no fashiony outfit, no fashiony outline, but definitely I'm going to write down here on the screen what are the things that we are going to cover. So first of all, once my screen is through, kindly confirm. Let me see where is that screen. Then yeah, okay. Can you please confirm if screen is through? Is
Yes.
this going?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first of all, one quick glance towards the Fortinet. So what is Fortinet? So Fortinet is a vendor, you can say this is OEM who makes multiple security appliances, lot of security appliances. It has its own switch, it has its AP, it has its NAC, that is nothing just like AAA server, you can say. It has its firewall that we are going to see here, especially that is known as FortiGate. So the firewall from Fortinet called as FortiGate. Not only that, there are multiple other appliances, more than 10 appliances they already manufacture, they already sell either on the basis of subscription model or on the basis of application, and also physical appliances also they sell in the market. Not only all these things, they have one central appliance that they call as Forti Manager. So what is Forti Manager? Forti Manager, actually you can connect multiple Fortinet products, or you can say uh, devices with Forti Manager, and you can centrally from one device you can manage all those devices. So this also Fortinet has. So Fortinet is basically a company, vendor, or OEM, you can say in short. This is on you, who makes multiple security solutions. Okay, who manufacture, who has multiple, in short, you can say. So for that, I can show you the website of Fortinet as well. Uh, Simply, if you want to go on Fortinet website, simply you can search on Google. You will have better idea about what Fortinet is. But in short, I can show you as well. But let's little bit more focus on the Fortinet that we are going to cover in this particular series. After that, after spending 10-15 minutes, we are going to explore their website as well. Okay. So Fortinet, what we are going to see in this particular training, that is, we will start from very basic configuration. Okay. Yes, Ans, I will tell you. Okay. Why we need to understand Fortinet? Like I'm from cybersec, so how it's beneficial for me? Definitely, I'm going to tell you. So what we are going to cover? Basic configuration. And definitely, first question I'm going to take your Mr. Ansh. Don't worry. So first we'll start from basic configuration. Basic configuration means every device we are going to start configuring from scratch. Like let's suppose you are brought new box from the market and you are starting configuration. In that manner, you are going to see those devices to be configured inside the class. So that will be doing first basic configuration. Inside that, you are going to see how to configure device so that we can access same using GUI, graphical user interface. Correct? Since this device is next gen firewall, next generation firewall, now I will directly jump to the question of Mr. Ans. He asks, why we need to understand Fortinet? Yes, you need to understand this. There are multiple reasons, not only one. First of all, the course that you are right now here in demo class, that is FortiGate we are going to see in this. Okay. Once I am saying FortiGate, so what is FortiGate? This is a next gen firewall. Now I have a quick question from everyone. You are here. What do you understand from next gen firewall? What do you think? What is this? What is the difference between traditional firewall and the next gen firewall? So the real answer starts from here. Have you guys understand about OSI model? Yeah.
Yes,
What do you think? This is just for remembering and just going in the interview and telling or how many layers are there? So answer is literally no, right? So answer is this
yes,
is something that we keep seeing every day inside our production environment, inside our day-to-day work. If you are in the cyber sec, definitely we are dealing with all these layers every day, not only single day, every day. Like it's not like one day you will deal and next day no, because you are the part of cyber sec, you are going to see all these layers every day. But I think we don't care about, or we just not put our attention that we are literally seeing all these layers or not. Let me tell you how you are using daily. So application, first one is presentation. Agree? Just correct me
yes,
anywhere if you are getting like, oh, I'm writing something incorrect. Presentation, session.
listen, transport.
This is something that we are studying in our books, right? In our computer books
Mhm.
from 10th, from plus one, somewhere like that, and also in our engineering classes. Yes, many of you are able to relate. Network, data link,
Physical.
physical. Yes. So what was happening, guys? See, so OSI model, once we talk, these upper three layers are more focused and work more inclined towards application developers. Okay. Yes. This was more focused towards the application developers. And these layers that is below, This was where we network engineers were working from last multiple decades. I will come to your question, man. Don't worry. You can unmute also yourself. Don't worry. I will tell you that definitely. OSI model is there for concepts. Okay. This is not real applied model. Okay. If you are saying like this, though, just I have a question for you. Okay. What do you think, guys? Which model is the old model? We'll take 1 minute question. Which OSI model or TCP/IP model? Tell me.
OSI is old model.
Wrong answer. OSI model is not the oldest model. TCP/IP model is the oldest model. Is it really?
Not sure.
Not sure, right? Yes. So let me tell you. See, guys, OSI model came in the picture once internet introduced. Before internet, there was internet. You all aware about, right? So before internet, there was the mechanism of something like you cannot communicate for so far. Like people were there, like companies were running, and they were able to communicate inside the company only. Okay. And not only that, even there were a monopoly for the multiple vendors in the market. Like if let's suppose you started using Apple products inside the company, then you need all the Apple products. Only then you'll be able to talk. Like your internal communication system will work only if the all the devices are Apple devices. Like they have their own protocol, like Apple Talk, correct? In the similar wise, there were multiple companies, multiple vendors, they were making their appliances, their products for networking, and that was only supporting their own manufactured you know different appliances. So issue was there. But at the same time, in USA, especially inside the DoD of USA, there was one TCP/IP model that was already working, and that was applied model even before internet. You go on Google and search. I'm not saying anything that you cannot search on Google. You can go and search which model is the oldest model, and you'll be saying answer is TCP/IP model. And it's been time we think like OSI model is the oldest, but answer is no, man. TCP/IP model is the oldest because OSI model came in the picture once internet started working, right? Because then people need to connect multiple countries, multiple, like if someone is sitting in, Sri Lanka wants to communicate with India, so they need actually internet then at that time. And because internet is there, like you can now communicate so far. And let's suppose you have one branch in India, you have another branch in UK. If you want to do communication, then you need, early days I'm talking, you need similar type of vendor, similar type of device installed in both the branches. But since internet is there, even if you connecting both the branches, but if you don't have same brand installed in the company, you will not be able to do communication. So this was the issue those days because multi vendor support was not available. So what OSI thought, okay, they thought ISO is, especially there is one organization that is known as ISO, they started developing OSI, and even they developed. And where was the issue? Why OSI model is not the applied model? Reason is internet was becoming so popular, so rapid, guys. Even we don't had much time at that era. We cannot wait. We would not have that time like we can wait for something that is in trial. No. So OSI anyhow was there only just for conceptual understanding. This gives us, even nowadays we engineers more talk about SI model. We never mention like on TCP/IP this layer. No, we actually this is very near to us. We always mention TCP/IP model. No, we always mention OSI model in the companies. OSI layer this, OSI layer that. But what is the reality? TCP/IP model was already being practiced inside DoD before internet. And once computer scientists they have seen, okay, which model we can apply, man, because there are multiple vendors. We need to create communication, intercommunication between multiple vendors. Then we need some standard. So see, if all the vendor will follow the same standard, then we can solve this issue. That was operational issue. So they technically and obviously they announced TCP IP model as applied model inside internetworking. OSI model was still there, but that was especially at that time, even nowadays, this is still one of the good and wonderful blueprint model that anyhow application developers take reference of the SI model. Believe me, they take reference from the SI model for like our network engineers, computer network scientists. Definitely, they all even they take reference from the SI model once they are developing any protocol. But literally, in practical, which model is the applied model, guys? Tell me now. TCP IP
TCP/IP.
model. Any of you have searched on the Google which model is the old one?
Yes, I have searched right now. TCP is oldest, 1970.
Yes, correct.
Yes,
Before internet, even that was there, and that was
yes.
applied for the army. Like they were doing communication, actually, they were doing communication and they
In
already applied and used that. Yeah. So that's why we applied that. Otherwise, SI model, there is no harm. Is that clear now, guys? Now one myth has gone from the head. Yes.
yes,
Yeah, there are multiple things you are going to see that will be uncovering throughout our session. There are multiple things that we are understanding. This is the correct, but believe me, that is not correct. That will be discovering by, turning the stone, and then you will see, hey, this is not correct, man. I was thinking like another type. Okay, that's okay. So see, let's jump to the yes, guys. Let's jump to the main part where the I'm going to answer the question of Mr. Ansh. Okay. So guys, what was happening? This particular upper three layers more our application developer focus on, like this is more inclined towards application developers. Let's suppose you are software engineer, you are making some application, so these layers you will be more concerned about. But where we network security specialist network engineers more concerned about these four layers, correct? Even if you any of you have got any chance to use Cisco packet tracer, if you will see there, even these four layers you will see more. Believe me. And what they did after
yes, correct.
later, even TCP IP model, what they do? They merged all these three and make one layer. That is application. Because we network engineers don't care, literally don't care about that, like what is happening on presentation, what is happening on session, because this is not our main job actually. But I will come to that after few minutes. Not. This was the thing early days. We were thinking this is not our job to see application layer things. But guys, where the issue was hidden, where the main thread was available. So what we were doing from early days, traditional firewalling, we were only filtering things up to this layer, transport network data link, only
Layer
up
3 and
to
4.
transport. Correct? On the basis of port number, protocol, that's it. But what happened all of a sudden? Cyber hackers, cyber security hackers, you can say, or you can say simply hackers, especially, they started taking benefit of this layer. Okay, like application, what they did, they already know, like people, especially network security engineers, will only take care till here. Why not do something on the above? If I'm doing something above, they will not be able to get me what I'm doing, right? So in that case, I'll be able to do my job. I'll be able to send whatever I need to send. I'll be able to gain whatever I need to gain. And the guys just will keep checking the port number, protocol, and they will not be able to do anything. So then where our next generation firewall comes in the picture, guys. What it does? Let me tell you. It not only check the things that is going up to transport and network layer, that is your port number and protocol. No, even above that, it gives you extra layer of security. Tell me, guys, one very simple question I'm asking you. If you want to go on www.google.com, www.google.com, what is the first thing that will happen? Tell me. First thing, very first thing.
DNS query.
Exactly. What will be happening? DNS resolution. Agree?
Yeah.
Everyone is with me? Yes.
Yes.
Ansh, Harsh.
Yes. Yes.
There are multiple people, like even can't take their name. Sorry. Huh? Let's suppose someone is there who is trying to go in some website that is not good in rating. There are multiple websites, guys. You already know, like there are multiple websites. If you literally want to go on that website that is not having good rating. Let's suppose some user is sitting inside the company. I'm going to share complete screen. Just allow me a minute. Then you will understand this more. Then I will at the same time will keep showing you things. Let me share my screen again. Kindly confirm on the screens through again. Is this good?
Not yet. Yes, now.
So guys, this is especially our topology that in initial 3 4 classes we will leverage the same topology for our lab. Okay. Anyhow, tomorrow I will give you overview. You can say top level overview of the topology. Even you simply can see here if you want to understand. This is headquarter. This is your data center. This is your branch, and they all are connected using WAN. Simple, correct? But let's come to the main point. Let's suppose any user is sitting here inside your branch and it is going on internet. Okay. And what it is doing, this gentleman is trying to go on some website that is not good. Okay. If that website is not good, what do you think? Being security professional, will you allow this user to go on that website? Yes, no?
No, it will
No.
block that.
Answer is no, right?
Yes.
Yep. But point is how you will filter that. Correct? So see how you will filter. If you are not using next gen firewall, so answer is you
Not
can't
possible.
stop this gentleman to go on in that particular website. Correct? Yeah, definitely you can't do. Reason is what? You can only see the port. By the way, what port it is going to resolve that particular website's IP? Answer is 53, right? So 53 is a safe port or bad port? Answer is safe port. Multiple services are like multiple people are going and trying to resolve some website, and they are literally going on the port number 53 to get the IP of that website. Yes, no?
Yes.
So anyhow you are going to say as per OSI model, you will say, hey, let it go, because this is transport layer and 53 it is going. This is good, secure one. Why not let the user go outside? And you will let the user go outside. But what will happen in turn? He will, like this user will be coming up with the answer from the internet, from that particular bad website IP. And once this gentleman will get the IP, it will do what? It will use its own source IP and destination IP of that particular bad website. And that website again, it will travel through this firewall and again will reach where? On that website. One high level view I'm giving you guys, okay? And once it will go there and it will try to, let's suppose, download something, every click it is downloading malwares. Every click what it is doing, it is doing malwares. Now what will happen now? If the malware is there, yeah, so what will happen? Now this gentleman itself will take guarantee of compromising entire network. Yes,
Mm,
no?
yes, exactly.
Correct? But if you say, no, 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 man, we have firewall there in between, but why then, even after having the firewall, how this gentleman can go on internet and it came up with the malware downloaded? What, why we were not able to stop this person to do that? So answer is what? Because you don't have good control on your, even not your local area network user if they are going on internet. Why? Because here is the answer. So far we are doing till where?
Layer 3
Till,
and 4.
till here. And if this gentleman is working somewhere here, correct? Once you are going to do the DNS resolution, DNS is a layer 7 protocol. Yes, no? So this doesn't have capability of checking what is happening here. Correct? Yes. So what you can do, if you have next gen firewall, then you can even do what? You can apply DNS filter. What you can do? You can, guys, apply DNS filter, and that DNS filter will do what? That DNS filter, now another question will come. How the DNS filter will take action? So guys, there is IPS engine, especially nowadays inside our next gen firewalls. And what is the job of this IPS engine? Anyhow, you know the full form, right?
Intrusion prevention system.
Intrusion prevention system. Yes, correct. So what it does, it has so many bunch of collected signatures already loaded on this engine. What it does, once you are going on some website for resolution event, it will check if this website, what is the URL of the website. It will get that. And if it checks this URL, as per our database, this URL is not good in the rating. So what it will do, it will detect that URL and will do what? Instead of let the user go outside and getting the real IP of that particular URL, it will give another IP on the behalf of that particular URL. What it will give? That is on you now. Now you make one portal, okay? Internal portal, in any portal, and whatever IP you are giving on that particular portal, you just give in return to the user who was the requester for that particular resolution, and tell, hey, listen, you wanted to go on that bad website, right? Here is the IP of the website. This is the DNS resolution. You can go. And once the user will get that incorrect IP, so user will try to create connection with the incorrect IP, but is that really IP exist? Answer is no. Yes, that is exist, but inside your own system. You put some URL redirection. That is known as what, guys? DNS redirection. These is this making sense now? Why we need Fortinet? Not only Fortinet, why we need next gen firewall? So because the Fortinet is one of them, that's why we need next gen firewall. Is this making sense to you now? No, man, it's not like that. No. Next gen cannot slow the internet till the time you are not applying deep inspection. Okay? Like if you will say everything you check once they are going on internet, definitely it will slow down the performance. Yes. Got it? No. It's not like it will slow down the internet. No. This is why we are there. Why they need security specialists. This is the reason. Otherwise, if they are putting everything in layered approach, but they don't know the concept, they are going to definitely shut down the system, shut down the network. Even no one will be allowed to go outside. Reason is what? We needed their reason is we understand concepts, we understand technology well than someone else in the company. Reason is what? We already know DNS filter is there. That is good. If DNS filter is there, then what should be the next? Yes. What should be the next? Will you be doing any deep inspection then? What is deep inspection? So guys, what happens? Okay, and definitely. Let me complete first what are the things that we are going to see inside the Fortinet firewall, guys. Okay, because this is first day, we already are running late in the time. Definitely, and later on I will explain, sure. So that is it. Let me tell you what are the other. So basic configuration, I already told you. Okay, what are the basic configuration? Like how to configure devices. I will show you every device be configured from scratch. Like if you don't have any prior knowledge, but you know little bit subnetting, you know little bit IP, MAC addressing, that's it. But even if you don't have that knowledge also, don't worry. We have some pre-recorded classes that you can watch. Okay. I will don't mind if you are asking some basic level question in the class. Even I always keep asking those basic questions in the class to check your understanding. Don't worry. So after that, what you are going to see, IP configuration. Not only that, creating zones, assigning ports to those zones. Once this is done, then we are going to see what? We are going to see then routing. Now, someone will be there who will be asking why routing. Routing is essential there, okay? Few basic routing, not only basic, let me tell you. Inside routing, you are going to see actually static routing, over firewall, guys, default routing. Then you will see dynamic routing as well. Advanced routing as well. Oh, wow. This is something that we will be giving extra. And once you will see advanced routing, then you are going to be completed inside the routing part. All right. After routing, we are also going to see the NAT, network address translation. Inside the NAT, you will see source NAT. Every NAT comes inside these only, source NAT and destination NAT. All right. Then once this is done, you are going to see VPN. Wow. Inside VPN, what you will see? Side to side VPN, remote access VPN. These are the two main famous, na? Another one that is literally very good, that is known as AD-VPN. What is the AD-VPN? More used with SD-WAN. It means what? Is there SD-WAN also included in this course? Yes, guys, SD-WAN is also included in this course. And what is the code? That is Fortinet SD-WAN. Yeah, you will see SD-WAN also. Yeah, good. Once VPN is done, we'll be deep dive, like we'll be going very deep inside the firewall policy. Every aspect, guys, inside the firewall policy, we are going to see. Correct? For example, you want to make policy that is time-based policy. You are going to put MAC address-based policy. Yes. You are going to make user-based policy. And many more. Even how many tabs are there? We are going to see that. Yes. Good, good. Not only that, guys, we are going to see triple A. Already know you guys, right? What you will see inside that? This is more on the theoretical part, guys. We'll be saying multiple parts there. That is okay, but not all the things inside the triple A. But at least that is literally important. Okay, that we will see inside this AAA. Authentication, authorization, and accounting. Yes, good, good. Not only that, log and monitor. Monitoring logs and T-shoot. Techniques. How to do the T-shoot. Okay. Hmm. And there are multiple things. These are the few very important parts. Then you are going to see security profiles, and where literally your next gen firewall comes in the picture, guys. And what you are going to see inside that, there are multiple things like web filter. You are going to see application filter. You are going to see DNS filter. Yeah, main antivirus, IPS, web profile override. These are the some additional one that I'm not writing here, but almost all the things you are going to see. And very good part is here, you are going to see SSL inspection. Wow. This is very important for next gen firewall. And this is very common nowadays. Like your firewall will work like proxy. Your firewall will work like man in the middle. Let's suppose any internal user wants to go on internet. Your firewall will be working man in the middle. It will see what is going on, everything. Yes. And that you will understand conceptually here inside the class. Okay. Once these all the parts are done and many more are there, very important part that is very important for your interview, for even your internal working inside the company, that is known as packet flow. This is not normal packet flow, guys. What are the things that you are going to see here? That is the bonus. Not only bonus, this is everything, guys. Packet flow, normal packet flow with net, again with net and VPN. Okay, to into both the direction, ingress and egress. Like this one you will see in both the direction. Like in the egress and ingress, you are going to see all these three. And once you understand all these, guys, you are ready to nail whatever coming in the picture inside the company or inside the interview. You will go there and you literally will impress your interviewer. Even you will impress yourself first. Is that good? Any question from the Fortinet section, guys, so far? Yes, Ansh. तो दोस्त मैं ये बोल रहा था, ये जो नेक्स्ट जेन फायरवॉल की फीचर्स हैं, ये एक्स्ट्रा लेयर है। इसको हम लोग देखेंगे, यही नहीं सिर्फ देखेंगे हम, और क्या देखने वाले हैं? ये सारी चीजें। ओके। और ये देखने के बाद हम जो ये वाला पार्ट देख रहे हैं ना, व्हाट इज बी डोम? गुड क्वेश्चन। ओके, गुड क्वेश्चन मैन। या इधर मैंने डाला भी नहीं है, वो डाल लो जी। एच ए, दैट आई मिस्ड। ओके, एच ए रिडंडेंसी स्पेशली, ये वाला पार्ट भी हम देखेंगे, मिस हो गया था मेरे से। ओके, वीडोम, लेट मी टेल यू व्हाट इज वीडोम। गाइज, जस्ट एक प्रश्न है आप लोगों से, वीलैन क्या होता है ऐसे इन जनरल? व्हाट इज वीलैन? यस, What is VLAN, guys? No clue?
Virtual area local network.
Like VLAN is something that if we are using, we literally can split our physical switch into multiple logical switches. Yes, no?
Yes.
In the same way, if you want to split your one box, physical box, into multiple virtual boxes, that concept inside your Fortinet is called as VDOM. Okay, virtual domain. Harsh, is that good?
Yes.
Okay, so that is VDOM. Not only VDOM, man, we have ADOM as well. Now you will be thinking, what is that? Administrative domain. And that you are going to see inside your Forti manager. Okay, that I will show you here. So what you will do, what we will do here, we will use one Forti manager. Will let me show you the topology first. See, here is the Forti manager, right? What we are going to do, we'll be landing branch firewall, headquarter firewall, data center firewall on the same Forti manager, and will now do all the configuration from here. Okay, will not go on one by one, but only one place we will be going and taking the access of all the thing. How we are taking, everything is showing on the same device, and we'll be doing configuration here, pushing all of them where they requires. Correct? From one central place we are going to manage that, and there we will be seeing a dome as well. Okay, are you with me?
Yes. Yes. Got it.
Not only that, guys, we are going to integrate SD-WAN feature with
Branches.
definitely with branches, SD-WAN feature with Forti manager and FortiGate. Sorry, what does it mean? It means we are not only taking care for this internal mechanism, internal area. No, no, no. Even we are more concerned about these WAN links. Okay, how we can optimize these WAN links? Coming to the Mr. Ansh's question, he was asking, it means we are slowing down our internet. Answer is no. For that we are going to see SD-WAN.
Manages WAN link. If one is down, another
Exactly.
will automatically
Yes,
open as a redundancy.
that is the very traditional way. Even we are going to not only see that, even we'll be doing the tracking on the very micro level. Like even we will be seeing jitter, latency, bandwidth, how many bandwidth is there left, correct? All those part even we are going to see, and which link is going to give good speed, we'll be setting that particular link as a primary, right? Automatically that will happen thanks to SD-WAN, software defined wide area network. Yes, you're right, Parvez. Good. So this was very high level overview in this 30, 35, 40 minutes. Okay, so tomorrow we will start configuring these devices from basic. You see here in the notepad, that will be doing one by one. People keep asking questions, give me syllabus. Please take a snip of this if you want. Redundant. One sec, guys. Let me go up. So tomorrow we'll be starting from basic configuration. Yes. And these all are we are going to see in our upcoming classes. So I will welcome everyone tomorrow also at the same time in the Fortinet next class. Again, it's not done. We are going to see CCNP security portion also. I'll be giving you quick introduction of the same, and then we'll be moving ahead and we'll wrap up the call. Any question, guys, from the Fortinet section? Please ask.
Sir, I have one doubt.
What will be the course duration for this for all these things?
Yes, let me ask here from the management. Some person will be. Yes, sir.
Sorry, sir.
The course
Actually, the
duration
course duration, since we are
and cost.
planning this course in like Fortinet 3 days and CCNP Security
So
3 days.
CCNP Security and Fortinet all together, we will be going to start on alternate days only. So Fortinet Firewall, you can consider it will take approx 2 months, right, sir?
Yes.
And what will be the cost for FortiGate firewall?
Okay. I think separate window is that, right? Uh, Sir, can you take his question
Sorry,
if
sorry,
you
can you please
want?
repeat
That
again?
his question is what is the cost? So I think that is the separate
So,
window for that, no?
for the same, you can get in touch with your concerned counselor. No problem in that. So, right now, you can concentrate on the content, your query related to the content, or syllabus, everything. So,
Okay.
fee and enrollment part we can discuss tomorrow over the call.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Jitendra.
Hey, thank you so much. Okay. Yes, anyone else have any other question? Please ask, guys. Don't worry, I am good in Hindi as well, okay? This is demo, that's why to reach more audience we are doing in English. Okay, there are multiple people has not joined this call and they literally will be waiting for the discussion part. So sorry, Ansh, because you requested already, but okay, what is the difference in cloud security and firewall? Okay, man, there is not very major difference. Only the way is like cloud security. If you want to do, you not need to have your firewall in your premises. Okay, that is somewhere deployed on cloud. Like in simple word, I will say, very good question. What is the difference between Palo Alto and FortiGate? You are already writing here. Like this is the difference. That is Palo Alto. This is FortiGate, man. Yes, the working is the difference, sir. Okay, their working mechanism are totally different.
But nowadays, larger environment only they're using Palo Alto. That medium
Yes.
size environment they're using FortiGate. Why FortiGate will not support for larger environment?
No, this is not like this doesn't support in the larger environment. No, this is myth. So this is more towards the designer. Who is the network architect? Who is giving the designing? Understanding. So let's suppose if you're coming me, okay, hey, can you do this? We have these requirements. We have this level of budget. Then I will give you solution accordingly. Understanding.
Okay.
So this is not something like uh, Palo Alto is only used in the large environment. Answer is no. If we are thinking like this, so this is not the correct part. Correct thing is this is totally depend on the budget as well as who is designing that solution for you. Not only that, even what is the asset inside the company. Understanding. Not only Palo Alto,
So,
even yeah. Go ahead.
so whatever concept, whatever technology using in Palo Alto, same technology only available in FortiGate also, right?
Yeah,
Others say
almost
it's
all
only-
almost all the things are available. Not only in
Okay.
Palo Alto and Fortinet, even all other vendors as well. Like their offering may differ. Their offering means there are multiple brands. They are not going to offer everything inside single box. Then you might have to purchase some subscription, some sandboxes, yeah, differently, some subscription model to get the complete package of the security. But yes, everyone has all the solutions.
So then can we create a virtual firewall in that FortiGate also? I think Palo Alto is possible. I think so. Same thing available
Yes,
in FortiGate.
yes, the VDOM virtual
Okay.
firewall you are saying? Yeah, that feature is here. Yes, virtual firewall. Yes.
Okay.
Not only that, transparent mode also we deploy. Correct? So
Okay.
whatever I mentioned here, that was on the basis of routed mode, like NAT mode. But not only NAT mode your firewall is going to support. I am saying I'm not mentioning all the points here. Even they are very much okay. They are going beyond your normal day by day use. But point is there are multiple more options are there, concepts are there that we are going to see. Like transparent mode of the firewall will be seeing, and also we will see what is the constraint. What is the good part, what is the bad part of the transparent mode as well. So all those things we are going to see step by step. Hence I will say welcome you guys tomorrow also. Okay, so you will see how the things are happening. Yeah, so today it was more towards the introduction topics, all those, but no configuration today. Tomorrow we'll be doing configuration step by step, and believe me, you guys are going to enjoy that. So easy. Yes.
But
Any other
you
question?
have not introduced yourself, your name. I don't know.
I already introduced, man. You
Or
have
not that
not.
time. Maybe I not.
No issue. So my name is Amit, guys, and I'm in the industry more than now 1.5 decade. It's more than 15 years now in the industry. So I'm delivering technology trainings. If you talk about what are the areas I'm delivering right now, that I'm more inclined towards security, guys. First part, not only I'm there, even I'm also delivering routing, switching, all those parts as well. Like enterprise and enterprise security is my core domain where I do deliver training. So if you talk about my experience and how many projects I've delivered, so let me tell you, I delivered up to CCI security. Okay. So first batch I've taken, I remember inside the security, that was my first batch, CCI security 6 years back. Okay. From then till now, delivered more than 20 batches already on the CCI security. So that includes one-on-one training as well, and also in the batches. Now, I'm mainly focused on the cloud security. Definitely, someone asked here, what is the difference between cloud security and, am I audible, guys?
Yes,
Hello?
yes, yes, you are.
Someone is
They,
asked what is the difference between cloud security and Fortinet
yes,
firewall.
exactly. Someone asked here, what is the difference in cloud security and, no, firewall only. He's
Yes.
asking about the firewall. So firewall is something I already told, like cloud security is something that is you are securing your cloud. Okay. If you have some devices you already deployed on cloud, you want to secure them. So that is totally on that. Even you have cloud firewalls as well, but it doesn't mean they are different type. No, they are the same one. Like the mechanism of the deployment is totally different. Like, let me give you an example. Let's suppose you have your data center at in your office, and second one is you are borrowing someone else's data center that is in USA. That is cloud. Okay. Which domain is the best, cloud security or firewall, sir? Okay. Cloud security, definitely. In nowadays, cloud security is the best domain because it is the latest technology in the market, correct? And it will keep growing, keep growing, keep growing so fast. Yes. Because people do not want, this and that, no, physical touch points. Yes, correct. And that is also not safe. And second one is, if you are asking cloud security is the best, correct? But you should have proper basic knowledge of the firewalling. So they both are important. But if you ask which domain is best, cloud security is my preference. Yes. Okay.
Yeah, thanks. Thanks, Amit, for your time. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. No issue. No issue. So someone was asking another question. I just jumped from that question to this question. Yeah. Can you please repeat your question? Who asked that one? I was answering before. No? Any other question? Anybody? You can also write that later and can connect our counselor as well. They will be answering, or you can connect with me. Yeah, that was about my experience. Sorry, I'm again continuing. So I deliver CCNA, CCNP, CCI level trainings as well as these security trainings like Palo Alto, Fortinet, all those. Okay. Not only this checkpoint, even especially I more loved delivering Cisco firewalls, that is ASA, okay, FTD, definitely, and Cisco related trainings on inside the security. You can consider Cisco ICE, yes, Cisco VPN, guys. That is also very near to me. These all are the trainings that I usually deliver, and I am delivering right now as well. So, like Cisco one, I am delivering, and FortiGate, I am actively delivering nowadays. It's been more than 2 years now. I'm continuously delivering these trainings like Cisco as well as Fortinet. These both trainings. Palo Alto also, but not so much. But yes, I do deliver. I delivered already, and I will keep delivering that as well. So yeah, that's all about my experience. And you definitely guys going to see those all parts in your upcoming classes. If you guys are okay, then we'll be moving towards the introduction of CCNP security. Yes, I want your go ahead. I want your go ahead. Yes. Can you move to CCNP security part now?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Thank you. So this was another vendor actually. Let's talk about Cisco now. I think all of us already heard about Cisco. Yes. So Cisco has its own routing business. They are dominating the market more than 70% share. They are handling more than 70% towards the routing part inside the networking industry. But also they are not bad in the security. They are also good in the security part as well, but not as good as other vendors are. They are like Palo Alto, Fortinet. Fortinet is also very fast growing, guys. And this is cheaper solution in in the term of cost, I'm saying, okay? In the term of services, they are wow. All right. Yes, that you are going to see anyhow. So Cisco is also there. Cisco has its own tracks. And if literally we guys are certified on those tracks, we will be more recognized inside the industry. And I hope all of or many of you already agree with that. Yes, no, guys. Cisco certification matters? Yes, no. What do you say?
Maybe. Don't know.
Maybe like you not heard about Cisco earlier?
I I heard about Cisco, but I don't have any certification about
Ah,
Cisco.
okay. No issue. No issue. So let me tell you, they have their CCNA, CCNP, and CCIE. So this is expert level. CCNA is associate level, and this is professional level. So they have different tracks in that. So CCNA is not CCNA is the base actually, I will say. So what it gives you? It gives you basic routing, switching, IP, Mac, nowadays automation, AI, ML, all those introductory part it is going to give you. This is not only introduction, this is more than that. You will have good understanding of IP. You will have good understanding of TCP IP stack. You will have good understanding of OSI model. Yes. You will have good understanding of headers. What is IP header? What is, Ethernet 2 header? What is TCP header, UDP header? All those you are going to learn in the CCNA. You will also understand latest technology of IP, that is IP version 6. Yes, in the CCNA. Once that is done, like your base is clear, you are good to go then for professional level trainings. But for professional level trainings or certification, I will mention here, they don't require CCNA to be certified in. No. If you talk about certification, so CCNP no more require CCNA certification. But early days, if you want to become CCNP, you need CCNA. This was prerequisite early days, but nowadays no. CCNA is independently playing in the playground. Okay. CCNP, in CCNP, you will see two type of things. Let me tell you, because we are more concerned about that. So it has enterprise track. What happens in this? We are mainly focusing on the enterprise guys, like company, routing, switching. Okay. All those parts we more take care. SD-WAN, these all are they related to your normal enterprise. So they have for this, they have CCNP in core, CCNP NRC, CCNP, and there are multiple like CCNP SD-WAN, so many. That is enterprise. But what we are going to see here, that is security. Having enterprise things ready, then how you can secure your enterprise. That is where Cisco security comes in the picture actually. And for that, they have CCNP security. Okay. Inside the CCNP security, they have multiple things like how you can secure. I will start from here. Secure routers. Router in itself not secured. How you can secure switches. There are multiple features inside that. Even your router works like firewall, guys. That is You will be seeing in the class how you can use your Cisco router as firewall. Wow, that firewall is known as ZBF, zone-based firewalling. You will see, and it will give you good control. Using firewall, you can control you can create zones and you can control traffic from passing inside another zone from another zone. Yes, you will have good control on the traffic flow. Yeah, but normally default firewall feature is not enabled inside routers. You can enable that thanks to Cisco good level of feature. And once that is done, then we are going to see ASA firewall. Like they have that ASA firewall. What is this? This is not more than, this is more traditional firewall, guys. Traditional. Traditional. Old, you can say. Okay. Yes. Having good support for remote access VPN actually. ASA firewall. More than your router. This has engine of router plus VPN. Okay. Like it has security also. Correct. So not only that, you have FTD. This is next generation firewall. Again, same thing that you have seen in the Fortinet. All those things are available here, but not at that lower price. No, this is costly if you talk about the subscription or the licensing. Yes, this is literally costly, guys. Then FTD next gen. Not only that, then you have AAA server that we say as ICE, Cisco ICE. Okay, yeah. Not only that, so these all are the things that they actually do inside their security track. And above that, they have their ESAs, they have their WSA, they also do have their wireless security. Like everything inside the company, like related wired, related wireless, if you want to secure all of them, then they have security for everything inside the company. Okay, that we are going to learn, especially inside our CCNP security track. It means what? It means if you are taking this particular training, you are going to learn all the aspect of security inside Cisco up to professional level. Yes. So not only that, they have that we'll be introducing in our one, that is Cisco VPN in depth from zero to hero. Yes. So all these part you are going to see inside your security. Once I am saying security, secure router, secure switches, ASA firewall. This is firewall, guys. Inside your next gen firewall, you are going to again see all the things from basic that we mentions here. Let me show you. So like this is the big course, but I think pricing is little bit here. If you connect with the counselors, they will tell you that is not at that high as per my knowledge, but okay, that is on you. All these things you are going to see, like this part will not be changed. Everything you are going to see there as well. In SA firewall, in FTD, centrally you want to manage your firewalls, your devices, then definitely you have FTD there as FMC. Just like FortiGate has Forti Manager, here we have FMC. This is centrally controller, you can say. You can centrally manage all the firewalls using this FMC device. This is all about your CCNP security. Okay. Any question from this section, guys? Hello. Yes, Harsh, Jitendra, Rashmika, Geetam. Hey, Geetam. Happy to see you, man, here. Mr. Ansh, Harsh, Shah. Yes,
No,
guys.
no.
Okay. How many of you are already working in Cisco environment? Anyone here?
Yes.
Harsh, you, right?
Yes.
So do you, yeah, okay.
I work upon the Cisco switches as well as the data center switches 9300 9500 Nexus
Wonderful.
and to as a fiber switch, I just deploy the replacement of the switches in the data center.
Okay.
As well as security reasons. 9200 is the core concept for the in-depth in organization, and the wireless 9800 cloud deployment about the C9800 CL, and as well as the hardware. I work upon that. And the API almost working about the wireless security as the C9115. Now latest technology is C9117, the Wi-Fi 6, and they are beyond the Wi-Fi 7 technology. But our local components and the desktop are not supported. Not all the PCs and are not supported the Wi-Fi 7, the APs which are used.
Like you guys are literally doing at very deep level in the company, right? Like
Yes,
good
yes.
good
I
deployment.
also I'm not exactly working on the ICE, but I have a little bit overview about the ICE and create a policy how users can be managed throughout the ICE in the AD group, server to ICE.
Okay, no issue. So guys, okay, thank you so much, Harsh, for your contribution in this particular uh, introduction class. Thank you so much, man. At least you told about so many devices that is already deployed there and that you worked on, you are working and you have knowledge about. That's good. Impressive, man. Okay. So guys, see, inside the security, might be you guys are thinking, hey, you are just giving us the pointers, okay? Not telling about the deep level, what is inside the router security. Let me give you very good example of that. Guys, have you ever heard about VLAN ACL before? Yes, no.
Yes.
VLAN ACL. Okay. What is ACL, by the way? When your ACL comes in the picture, access control list, by the way, I'm talking about. This is used, or you can say this will play role once traffic is coming on the interface and going out from another interface. Agree? Only then your ACL can make sense. Yes, no? If you are getting the traffic, it is passing through some another interface. Yes? But what about VLANs, guys? What happened inside the VLAN? Is really any traffic is going out of the interface? Yes, no?
Yes, it's a logical interface which we are created.
Yes. So let's suppose you have one switch here. This is a switch. Now you have different VLANs also. This is VLAN 10, this is VLAN 20. Okay? Yeah. Now we more talk about if the traffic is passing through any firewall, one interface is there and another interface is there. If it will go inside and want to go this side, we can put ACL and we can control incoming and outgoing traffic. Yes. What about the VLANs? Because if you see actually inside VLAN, what is happening? You are creating two logical switches. Yes, no? Agree? Now what is happening? Logically, they are traveling from one VLAN, one logical switch to another logical switch, not the interface even. Then is this possible to create VLAN inside the network? Answer is yes. That part you are going to see in the switch security, guys. Now I hope it's making a little bit more sense. All right. I will give you good example about the router security. Let me tell you. In router security, let's suppose you have not a good design and not good security in place. Let's suppose someone is coming inside your company with the source IP of RFC 151, RFC 1918. Have you guys heard about RFC 1918 IPs? Anyone here? RFC 1918. What is that? Simply your private IPs, right? Yes. Now, one big question. What do you think, guys? Your routers take forwarding decision on the basis of which IP? Source IP or destination IP? Question. It's question. Tell me. Your routing devices take forwarding decision of any traffic on the basis of source IP or destination IP.
Destination IP.
Exactly. And also on the internet, whatever routers are there, they also take forwarding decision by seeing the destination IP. And you just see, just imagine, guys, what will be the case. Let's suppose someone is sitting here on internet and this gentleman is using source IP as, this is hacker, okay? Some private IP. This is using what? Private IP. And inside the company, we use most probably a private IPs to provide users IP, right? Correct? So what this gentleman is doing, this is using source IP as private IP and destination IP of your server. Let's suppose you have some server here. Okay, this area at your data center level, you have some server. And this traffic is coming from all the way here, and then it is going to your server. Because the destination IP is of your server IP, it will reach to your server. Let's suppose here is your server. Okay. Now, once your server will make reply, then what it will do? It will use its own source IP, agree? And destination IP for whom it will use? Tell me. This private IP. Yes, no? Let's suppose that is IP of 10.0.3.1. Now, where this traffic will go?
Source to destination.
Here it will come, right? Like, who initiated the traffic, guys?
Destination to source.
This
Internet.
gentleman from someone hacker, right? It
Hmm.
went all the way inside here, and in returning, it is not going here. It is going here. Why? Because this gentleman used some source IP as private IP. Are you with me? So, do you have any such facility that you can stop this gentleman to come inside? Yes, we have. We can put some ACL or something like that. But what about if this gentleman got your public IP and it is spoofing your public IP? In the source, it is using your own company public IP and destination IP of your own company, your company's server. Then in that case, that will be not be possible for you to stop that, right? So there is a one wonderful feature that is known as RPF, reverse path forwarding. If you are putting here on this edge router, then your router is going to check the reverse path before sending that traffic to inside your DMZ zone. These are the security features. Anyhow, I will show you inside your training. Understanding? Just was giving you quick and high level overview. With me, guys?
Yes.
So no delay. Tomorrow onward, you are going to see all those things in the action. This was literally very, very, very high level and quick overview about your class. CCNP Security as well as Fortinet Firewall. Guys, if you have any question, you can ask. Over to you all.
Can we do simultaneously lab?
Yes, yes, yes. You can. You want to do lab at the same time once class is happening?
Yes.
You can, man. No issue. Along with me, you can do. I'll be very happy to see this enthusiasm. Actually, I really appreciate. But that you can do. So inside this class, you are not going to get only the training. No, you will get notes as well. Like whatever I will telling you, everything I will write here and will send that to you. First part. Second part, I will give you the topology. Third part, you will get access of the lab. I think, sir, are you there? Is this 24/7 working lab or like running lab or something? There is any constant,
Yes,
like
sir.
something restriction?
No, 24/7.
Yeah, that is good. Like that is, you will get your username and password. You can take access of the rack and you can be in. You can keep doing practice 24/7. This is on you. Like definitely no one can do that. But yes, but that is available 24/7. Okay.
I just want to ask you one question about what is the role of the FortiCloud in the Fortinet?
Oh, okay. So what they are doing actually, FortiCloud means nothing but Just simply you can say that is their intelligent system. Have you heard about Apple Intelligence? Just
No,
asking.
no,
Generally,
no, no.
in general. Have you heard about Telos, Cisco Telos, Cisco Intelligence?
Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes, yes.
In the same way, they have Forti Cloud actually. This is their intelligence. Understanding? So what they are doing, they have some central place on, and that they call as Forti Cloud.
Because they are changing their mechanism. When we first register the firewall, they can
Yeah.
provide, yes, and after that, after 2 years, 2 years, they can provide the FortiCloud account where you can manage all over the Fortinet devices.
Yes. Yes. Like Fortinet is someone who is, you can say improving so fast. Even I don't know like what type of team they have in internally, but they guys are literally wow.
But their support system is not quite good.
Yes. Also agree on that. I'm also working with them in partnership. So I know
Okay.
them. Yes. So, but their solutions are good. They are very easy and simple to configure and you can say manage. But point is, if it comes to the documentation and support, believe me, they are not very good. Reason is what? Reason is their documentation. You know, like if you see their documents, na, let's take example of Cisco in this case. Cisco has wonderful documentation. If you
I
want to
agree
search
with that.
anything, you will get multiple multiple things. Even in Cisco itself provides so many insight related everything, right? Their tech engineers are so advanced. They will keep publishing some documents, some research, something like that. Even you can get all the things. But what about not only Fortinet? I'm saying I'm not concerned only about Fortinet. There are multiple vendors. Even if you want to search their SD-WAN document to configure SD-WAN efficiently, believe me, you're not going to get that.
Yeah, it will little bit confused about that branches that they are putting in, and there are not a practical solution they are providing for the SD-WAN for latest version 7.6.0.
Yes, you're right. So point is that only you are right. Even they have good security, like okay. But
Yeah,
point is, if you talk about I want to learn that and I want support on that, then you will not be very good. Like disappoint.
it will take more time to
Yes.
execute, open a case, and as well as the engineer will be assigned to move on that case.
Now for selling the product, they are very fast.
Yes, yes.
Their pre-sales team is working day and night. Yes. Like daily, they keep sending me emails. Do you want to talk with us? Do you want to talk with us because you had requirement of one of our appliance? I always just keep saying postponing the things, and they are very good in that. They will keep following. Once you will purchase, then like I do not have any bad experience with them, believe me. But okay, if you are saying I will take it
Not
because
about the bad experience, but when the time will be then, they are just mail you about that. You don't have any subscription about that particular things, so we cannot provide any support.
yeah,
They are
correct.
not even talking about that at least.
No, no, this is not only in them. This is for everyone. Like every other vendor also is the same way.
No, but in the Cisco, you can just call them in the code line number, and they are responsible still.
Okay, like no general queries they answer.
Yes, yes. But in the Fortinet, you cannot go ahead with that.
I remember I purchased one license from FortiGate. I remember, and I did not had any 40 client FSS. So I hope you have heard about,
Yes,
right?
yes.
This was not available inside my license, okay? But I had to see something related authentication, so I just connected with them. Believe me, they supported me well. They have sent that on my email, and they sent
I
one
think
email and clicked and downloaded that.
you are lucky because I just got the support from VPN. They totally say no. And the authorized person, authorized account can handle this query.
You connect with me, don't worry, man. I'm good in that
Yes,
support. Okay.
yes, yes.
I will help you in that. Don't worry, don't go there then. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Thank you so much for that.
Yes, yes, guys. Any question? Geetam already have all the question answered. I know. And it's not his first class. He was waiting since long for this class to be started. Yes, Geetam, correct?
Yes, yes.
He is pre-enrolled, just waiting for the class to be started. Welcome to the class, Geetam. Finally, this is Monday and we already started. Yes, tomorrow onward, you are going to see the configuration part. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Hi, Abhishek. Like people are just keep lifting the waiting. Don't worry, guys. I'm not going to ask. If you have any question, please ask. If not, then we'll be finishing the class. Yes, guys. What do you say? Do you have any question? Arasa Kumar, Abhishek, Deep, Geetam, you have any? Harsh, Rashmika, guys? No question?
No.
Okay, guys. Then this is the right time to take a quick break. Quick break means we'll meet you guys tomorrow, 10 p.m. Okay?
Sure.
Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. It was really nice to interacting with you all. You guys are very energetic. We'll see you guys tomorrow at 10 p.m.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you so much, sir. And thank you guys for joining us today. We'll see you tomorrow at 10 p.m. Thank you so
Yeah,
much, sir.
Thank you so
sure, sir.
much.
Sure, everyone. Bye bye.
We will meet tomorrow 10 p.m.
Good night,
Good night,
everyone.
sir.